Thank you for joining us here on The Remote Traveler. Before we begin, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. So we are in Alanya, Turkey. I should be able to give more facts about Alanya later, but so far my very simple impression is that it's absolutely beautiful, very sunny. See the beach here? It's like a pirate ship style thing over there. You have the Alanya Castle up there. If you do come to Alanya into Kleopatra Beach, which is where we're at here, you don't have to dress conservatively. It's more European than, say, like a lot of the conservative Middle Eastern style. In that sense, it's most like in the Middle East, Lebanon. Day one, we were just getting settled in, so we're gonna splash right into day two, which we chose to go on a pirate boat cruise. Honestly, I did not expect to enjoy this part of the trip that much, but I would highly recommend it. It is complete with lots of dancing, drinking if you want, lots of sunshine, some beautiful stops, and plenty of opportunities to swim, see the Red Tower. Very cool stuff. A fun fact about Alanya, according at least to good old Wikipedia, is that Alanya has been a local stronghold for many Mediterranean-based empires, including the Ptolemaic, Seleucid, Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman empires. Alanya's greatest political importance came in the Middle Ages with the Seljuk Sultanate of Rome under the rule of Alaeddin Kayubayed. Oh my God, I probably butchered that, but you get the gist of it. It was a very, very significant place, and now, as it turns out, it's an awesome place for tourists and for partying as well. So what we are seeing as we're walking around Alanya are a lot of really beautiful public parks. You know, we're seeing the resorts, the ocean. We are on the Teleferique going up to Alanya Castle.
رايحين على قلعة ألانيا Teleferique.
As we enter into Alanya Castle, know that it was built on the remnants of earlier Byzantine era and Roman era fortifications. After the area was pacified under the Ottoman Empire, the castle ceased to be purely defensive, and numerous villas were built inside the walls during the 19th century. Today, the building is an open-air museum. Access to the seaward castle is ticketed, but much of the area inside the wall, including the landmark castle, is open to the general public. That's what you're seeing in this video. 2009, city officials filed to include Alanya Castle and Tersain as UNESCO World Heritage Sites, and they were named to the 2009 tentative list. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video and for joining us on the Remote Traveler. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell.